and it looks great.
Got this lovely Mclaren 750S behind me. This is a really cool color. As you can see, it is like a weird teal color, metallic, and it has a full satin clear bra on it. So it produces this really cool colorway. And then you got carbon fiber OEM hood on the front. So that goes really good with it. Carbon fiber everywhere on this thing. We just lowered it. As you can see, it is pretty much slammed on custom wheels. It has a brand new exhaust system, full straight pipe. It is loud. We also did a tune on it. So it's got quite a bit of work on there. We are hoping to do a 1016 Industries carbon fiber kit. They just released it, but we're not sure yet. We're negotiating with the client. We'll see, but this thing is loud. It backfires like crazy. I feel like it's a little bit better made than the 720s after driving it. I like the interface and the screen and stuff like that a little better than the 720. It's a little bit updated. But pretty cool car. We have that black Spider 750S over there as well. So yeah, pretty cool. McLaren, let us know your thoughts.
Not bad. All right, you guys, we have a 2013 G63. G63. Yeah. All right, we have a busted hose here, you guys. Oh, Jesus.
Name on his pant, on his shirt.
Yeah. There you go. This is exactly why it's leaking. It's absolutely a big broken hose here, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Oh. Old, happens, wear and tear. It's the same thing as when people get older. They just get...
Telling me you're drinking a lot of water?
Yeah, starting to drink water. Hank got me on this water drinking thing, which is pretty cool. It was worth every penny. It's 30 bucks.
It's $30 a month. He's subscribed. Right?
Yeah. So
Next
actually, I feel good. It's working. It's one day.
RDB water care.
Feels good, yeah. Good. This guy's a Shania Twain jacket.
Okay. Okay.
Hi guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Early Christmas.
¿Ah?
Early Christmas. Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo 2025, 2025. God bless everyone, everywhere, anywhere, whatever you do when you're watching this. Blesses. Bendiciones, muchas bendiciones to everyone, para todos. From the bottom of my heart, desde el fondo de mi corazón, para todos. Órale. Oh, this is nice.
He likes it.
Slap me if you don't like it. Are you serious or are you joking?
Yeah, bro.
It tastes like a stale ass fucking sandwich.
This guy loves eating. It's different. He eats Whoppers at 9 in the morning.
Oh.
Esa mamá. Ese güey está loco, man.
All right, guys, we came out with a new mod. It's called the 180-degree door hinges for a G-Wagon. As you can see, this is the front door and rear door. But have no fear, this is on purpose. We are working on the inside headliner of this car. This vehicle was in a pretty heavy accident on the front end, and it blew the airbags in the headliners, and we had to replace the headliner because of that reason. Headliner cracks, you can't use it anymore, it's trash. So installing that new headliner now, it's almost done. Obviously we painted the truck also, and this is that amazing Arabian gray color. So really cool color with red interior, one of the most sought after ones. It's not a 25, by the way. I know it's all 25s on our channel right now, but this is, I think this is 23. So yeah, it went through accident repair. The airbag is still deployed in the front steering wheel. We have the new one, we're gonna change that. But yeah, remember, we're doing BRABUS kits on some. We're fixing heavy damaged ones. We have all kinds of stuff here at RDB.
I feel like a singer.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, you guys, we have a beautiful Jeep Wrangler. You guys remember this Wrangler when it came in? A lot of work was done to this car. A lot of detailed work was done to this car. As you guys can see, we did a pink bubblegum satin wrap on this car. Looks really nice. Actually came out good. Good choice, by the way. Thank God we didn't do gloss bubblegum, because that would have been too tacky. The satin bubblegum pink is amazing. Looks good on this car. We also did door jambs on this car as well, and we did a suspension lift kit that came with shocks, springs, all the good stuff. Also, we have a winch in the front, as you guys can see, installed. We have nice lights in the front custom bumper that we put in, and we put new side steps on this thing. This car didn't have side steps. That's what we did as well. We have side steps, and you guys, the door hinges as well were red. This car was completely red, okay, very bad red. So we did it satin black. It came out really nice with the car. We're washing it, getting it ready. We also have some big monster 35-inch tires on here to go along with the whole look. We kept the same wheels though. We didn't change the wheels, stock wheels, but still, car looks much better than what it was when it came in. So customer's gonna be happy. We're cleaning it up so we can get out of here and move on to the next one.
Hot or
Yeah,
hot?
very hot.
Hot.
This H-O-T.
T. H-O-T.
Hot.
Hot. 80. Today is 80.
No, hot. H-O-T. Hot.
Can you move? No. I gotta get some more. 60. Very good. 60 on Amazon.
Yeah, but it's very hot.
I know it's hot.
When it's hot, hot.
Yeah, take drink, more vitamin.
Water.
Take vitamin, good.
Oh, this one's.
Vitamin, good.
This is no good for you.
Make a run, marathon. Yeah, marathon. Mira, this one, don't you video, man. This one is good for this, everything together, the whole body. Here.
You want to say something? Say it. Don't get scared for the camera.
I know.
You want to mean this one work better?
Yeah, I know. Sancho works fine.
¿Quieres?
No, no drink those.
No, let's go.